what? We're back for week 1, SS19.
Yeah.
So before you even watch this, please subscribe because we're gonna put in work for this season. I heard week 1 is a madness. There's a shower cap for like a free gift. There's a vagina. There's a vagina and a swan and a skateboard. So we're gonna check that out. So
It's looking a bit mad. Let's go.
mad. One of the keychains. What's this? What's the keychain? Oh, is it that?
I ended it because I'm a man.
I think it's a lighter, you know.
No, it's not.
So it's a lighter case.
Lighter case.
So you can put your 50p lighter on there.
No, that's not a lighter.
That's a lighter case, isn't it? You put your lighter
Wow.
in there. That shit's hard, isn't it?
I thought it was a lighter.
They always go missing, so never lose your lighter again.
Need a fag, mate. Supreme skateboard, New York. You ready? Yeah, man. That shit.
What's that? Your hoverboard?
This is what people buy at Supreme. They buy decks because they're skateboarders, right? Patchy jacket, extra large. Let's see what retail is. £228. Very extortionate, but that's usual for Supreme, right? Got colours here and there. So I think it's like a denim, yeah, it's denim. It's denim, so if you're copying online, make sure you like denim. Because if you don't like denim, I feel
It's not for you. It's not for you.
That's kind of denim, right?
I don't know, bro.
Right, it's fake
cotton.
denim, it's cotton. Cool. See this shirt? Whoever wears this, can't lie to you, man. You might have to burn this in the fire, you know? I mean, I rebuke that.
Or maybe he spelled Santa wrong.
Yeah, I think this little kid's trying to fight Santa.
It was
right?
just Christmas, innit?
It was Christmas the other day, this little kid. Ooh, that's a loud t-shirt, man. It's going in the bin for me. Alright, it's going in the bin. Get him in. For fixing it.
You see that, Leon? On Italy only.
Italy only.
Exclusive.
Exclusive crepes, you know. So guys, man, if you comment down below, what do you think is down there? Go on. What do you think is down there?
I don't know. You tell me.
Alright, let me tell you what's down there. It is. Basically a swan licking a, giving a bowcat to her. Oh, that's a bit mad, you know.
Okay, another t-shirt. What we got?
Sin, original Sin, Supreme. I mean, got bleeding eyes. She's got a big mouth. I mean, pollution. I mean, that's a bomb, right? Atomic bombs.
It's a rose still, but.
I mean, red eye rabbit. I mean, looking a bit emo right now. I don't know. I mean, Illuminati, catch the eye. Supreme's moving a bit mad now, no? Fire t-shirt, fire baseball. Smells fresh.
What's in the back?
Back with this. Japanese influenced baseball t-shirt. Let's see.
Supreme lock. What would you use that for?
Put it right there. Lock my garden door. Nice. It's not secure enough, so if you need a look.
There's someone in your garden still.
Yeah, and he's just preying like it's my garden, right? See, got a man who's a bit angry right now, so I might have to lock up. Normal shower cap. I mean, get one for free from hotels, but
That has to be one of the maddest things they've dropped.
that's stupid, man. Retarded that.
Flex in the shower. Mad.
You're naked. apart
Don't
from
drop
your
the
shower
soap thing.
cap. Drop the soap.
It's on.
Did you do it? Who we got here?
Jake.
We've got Jake. Obviously, what do you think about week 1?
I think week 1's alright, but
alright,
overall, apart from the accessories, I think the season's quite dead.
It's a bit dead.
Yeah,
out of the whole season for the SS19, what's your favourite piece item?
I've got quite a few. The S logo shorts are quite sick.
Okay.
The just all the accessories.
All the accessories are mad.
Yeah. The zipper is quite sick.
Super sick as well, isn't it? What was the gift for this week?
It's like a shower cap.
Oh, Matt, that was a gift.
Yeah. And I got like 24 items.
24 items, no shower.
24 items.
I mean, for a gift, the shower cap is pretty decent.
It's a decent
I thought people paid money for that.
I thought it was like a free gift. So free gift is a shower cap.
Yeah. Alright, calm.
What's your name?
Jack Green.
Jack Green, and what university do you go to?
I'm at Nottingham Trent University.
Nottingham Trent, so what, you come all the way down to Nottingham?
Yeah, hour and 45-minute train this morning. Bro.
Okay, so was it for the weekend or for the
Nah,
day?
literally just for the day, just so I can come do my survey and a little explore around the city, chat to you guys, for example.
So what you did, postgrad or?
No, it's undergraduate final year, basically my dissertation.
So what's the question for your dissertation?
So my question is, how does Instagram influence the consumer decision process and context of Supreme?
Okay, so that's a very interesting
Yeah, exactly.
So what's some of the questions?
So some of the questions, obviously it kicks off with a bit of context on Supreme. So how long you've been purchasing it for, how much you spend per collection.
Yeah, that's really good, man. Okay, so obviously, you see, this guy's working hard, he's buying his garments at the same time, so work hard at uni, copy yourself from Supreme at the same time. Yeah, alright? Nice one, man.
Super.
Hope it all goes well. So obviously, reselling in London is banned. We don't condone reselling on the streets, so for example like that, yeah? But let me tell you, for all you people in New York, Japan to resell, the most hyped items so far are skateboards, bags, purses. They're reselling a lot.
The small bags.
The small bags. So if you guys want to make a lot of money, I've got someone who said he told one boy to buy 100 small bags, £25 on top. So that's 2.5k in profit. So imagine that. So in New York,
Quick maths.
New York, Paris, all of you man, buy the small bags. So that's week 1 wrapped up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, bust some comments, bust some jokes. And yeah man, we'll see you in the following week.
Mad. Watch out for the crack.
Yeah, man, obviously, stay safe in the streets.
Supreme is a wild place, kids.
That's got a chair over there.
Looking to die.
Just got back.